Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my new video. Friends, what I am going to tell in this video is very much interesting because in this video I am going to tell you fake food that we eat every day without knowing. So friends, let's get start our video without any delay. Our first one is green peas. These seeds are not as simple as they look. These guys can be easily faked. To make counterfeit green peas, the makers combine snow peas, soybean, sodium metabisulfite, colorant, and snow peas. Sodium metabisulfite is prohibited in many countries due to its high risk of the development of metabolism issues and cancer. How can I avoid buying a fake? It is best to purchase your green peas from the manufacturer you trust the most. Also, if the peas are too green to be true, then they shouldn't go anywhere near your food. It only means that the manufacturer has added some colors to the peas which are unsafe. And the next one is eggs. This is shocking but true. Eggs are considered one of the most nutritious food in the world and they should be natural. So how come there are counterfeit? Well, according to the Chinese Ministry of Health, there are fake eggs and they contain lot of harmful ingredients like sodium alginate, benzoic acid and many other dangerous things. The thing is any part of the egg can be fake right from eggshell to the yolk. This issue is prevalent mostly in Asian countries, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't be careful if you live outside Asia. Eggs that are fake usually have rough shell, and you can avoid them by simply not purchasing an egg with a rough shell or one of obviously larger in size the normal eggs. If the shell of your eggs look normal, then you must look out of the color of the yolk. If the yolk is too yellow, then it must be one of the fake ones. And the next one is noodles. In 2010, a discovery was made that large quantity of fake noodles are manufactured in China. The noodles are made with poisonous additive and rotten grains. Some noodles are even made from plastic, and because of the tasty sauce fast food companies make to go with the noodles, you may never discover the taste flaw. However, if you try to eat a string of noodle without the sauce, you will find it easily to tell the fake from real noodles. To avoid fake noodles, you just have to stay away from fast food noodles or just avoid noodles generally. And the next one is apple. So apple are my favorite fruit, but they too can be fake surprisingly. Well, it's not as of the apple themselves are synthetic. They are real, but they get injected with dangerous additives. The apple are grown with some harmful chemicals that make them too good to be true when you see them. And to extend their shelf life and keep them looking fresh for exportation, they are waxed. For this reason, eating apple is a huge risk and many of us take that risk every day. Those apples that look too shiny, too red or green or too round are likely to be one of the fake ones. Purchase only apple that do not look like they were photoshopped or perfection. And the next one is whipped cream. On 1966, American chemist William Mitchell created a replacement of our beloved whipped cream that consists of corn syrup, coconut oil, a thickening agent, and natural flavoring. Yes, it must contain milk, but it only contained very little of it. We agree this whipped cream has its unique merit. It looks really and it is easiest to work with if you are an unskilled chef. However, expert can tell the difference right away. Ways to avoid purchasing of fake. Check the ingredient to be sure they do not include sugar and vegetable fats. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Comment us and tell which one is shocking fake food. We will meet in next video. For that, take care.